Hi, today we are going to discuss tension members. So, problem on tension members. Determine the tensile strength of roof truss diagonal of 100 into 75 into 6 mm connected by its longer leg to a gusset plate of 8 mm thick by 4 mm weld. Adopt Fi is equal to 250 MPa. From Steelbook, the gross area 1010 mm square, Fi 250 Newton per mm square, and gamma m naught 1.1, table number 5. Fu 410 Newton per mm square, assume gamma m1 is equal to 1.25, table number 5. Area of the connected leg ANC is equal to 100 connected leg, longer leg 100 minus thickness by 2 into thickness, which is equal to 582 mm square. Area of outstanding leg AGO equal to 75 minus thickness by 2 into thickness, which is gives rise to 432 mm square. Now assume the length of the connection LC is equal to 200. So design strength due to yielding of cross section from 6.2 of IS 800, TDG is equal to AGFI by gamma m naught. AG is equal to 1010 into 250 divided by 1.1, which is equal to 229 kilonewtons. And design strength due to rupture of the critical section. So rupture of the critical section is given in 6.3, whereas we are using IS angle member. That's why we should have to take 6.3.3 of IS 800 2007. TDN is equal to 0.9 ANC FU by gamma m1 plus beta AGO FI by gamma m naught. So beta minimum is from the code book 0.7, beta maximum, this formula Fu by gamma m naught by Fi by gamma m1, we will get after substituting all these values 1.44. Now we have to calculate the beta. So the beta is given as formula, beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 WFI BS by TFULC. So here figure number 6 of IS code book stated that the outstanding leg is connected as BS, which is equal to W. So outstanding leg is here 75, connected leg is 100. That's why we substitute W is equal to BS is equal to 75, and thickness of the member is 6. So after substituting all these things, we get beta is equal to 1.18. So our beta is in between beta minimum and beta maximum. Therefore, we can use this beta 1.183. So TDN is equal to 0.9 ANFU by gamma m1 plus beta B AGO FI by gamma m naught. After calculating this, we get 287. Again, block shear, we have to find out the block shear from 6.4 of IS 800. So we have two formulas for the block shear. So AVG, AVN. AV means area of shear, and G means gross, N means net. Similarly, AT means area in tension, G gross, N net. So here for a welding, AVG is equal to AVN. So here 2 into LC into T. Sometimes we can take LC into T also. So if you want to take LC into T, okay, LC into T. Or you can use 2 because we are having two shear areas. That's why. TDG is equal to ATN, which is equal to connected leg into T. So that is 100 into 6, 600. After substituting this, we get two formulas, 492 and 548. Among these two, whichever is the least is TDB. So 492. Now we have to place all these three tension failures yield of gross section, rupture of critical section, and block shear. Among these three, whichever is the least, that means the failure is occurs there. So here the failures is occur at the gross section as its value is lesser than among three 229.55 kilonewtons. Therefore, our design strength due to tension is equal to 229.55 kilonewtons. That's all.